Hey guys, so this is part 2 of my video, the 2019 Ford Focus Mark IV reflector LED headlight installation. So these are the headlights that I got off eBay. They're the reflector LEDs and they're installed. As you can see there, they are working fine. There was no modifications, no wiring, no changing of anything on the actual car itself. I just took out the old ones, put in the new ones. Fixed the tabs. Tabs need to be fixed a little bit more, but they're in and they're holding. They're fine. They work grand. No problems. All the lights work. High beams work, indicators work, hazards, DRLs, the whole lot. They all work together as they should do. It's plug and play basically, and off I go. So what I'll do is I'm going to give you a little view of the actual car itself. If I get this thing to work, there we go. So, as you can see, they all work. Still need to do a bit of work on the actual tabs for the headlights. The plastic I ordered was the wrong type. I got acrylic perspex when the headlights themselves, the black section is actually made out of polypropylene. So I'll sort that out once I get the new plastic. But the new tabs are in and they're working fine. They'll hold. I've had the car driving around all day, no problems out of it. They're lined up okay. So yeah, working grand. So I hope this helps other people, and yeah, thanks very much for watching. Life welcome.